Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Press the PS button once to bring up the control center. This is the fastest surface to reach notifications. You want to focus on the strip at the bottom of the screen where icons live. Once visible, locate the bell-shaped notifications icon. It's your gateway. Make sure you're signed into PlayStation Network so system messages and game alerts sync. If the icon is missing, check that the controller is awake and the system isn't in rest mode. Then try opening the control center again. With notifications open, press X to see the full list and scroll with the left stick or D-pad. Use the Options button to filter results. Choosing Downloads, Trophies, or System lets you zero in on what matters. When you highlight an entry, press X to view details, which explains how to act, install, claim, or ignore. If a notification relates to a download, selecting it often launches the content library or the download manager. This filtering speeds discovery when many alerts accumulate. To manage notifications, highlight an entry and press Options to delete, mark as read, or jump to the source. For persistent behavior, open Settings notifications to enable or disable categories and adjust pop-up or sound preferences. Once done, changes apply immediately and future alerts follow your rules. If you still don't see notifications, restart the Ps5 or sign out and back into PSN. Network hiccups or account sync issues are the usual culprit.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.